Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your design element in Canva. This is super helpful if you want to keep certain parts of your design fixed in place so you don't accidentally move them while working on other details. Let's get right into it. First, open up your Canva project and select the design you're working on. Now, find the element you want to lock. It could be a piece of text, an image, or even a graphic. Basically anything you want to stay put. Click on that element to select it. Once it's highlighted, look up to the top right toolbar. You'll see a little padlock icon. This is the lock button. All you need to do is click it once, and that element is now locked in place. You won't be able to move it or accidentally shift it while editing other parts of your design. If you ever need to make changes to that locked element, no problem. Just click on it again and hit the unlock button, which will appear in the same spot. Once unlocked, you can freely edit, move, or resize it, and then lock it back down afterward if needed. And that's it. You've just learned how to lock elements in Canva. It's a super simple feature, but it makes a big difference in keeping your designs organized and frustration-free. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.